Thank you for flying with Delta.
You're being hosted by my lovely friend Jenny and her husband. Thank you to watch this video. Thank you. Today we are going to Alton. Please stop it. You wanna come in? Come. Today we're going to downtown Chicago downtown, right? We have a lot of activities we want to do. We're going to the Nutella place. We're going to the Café ice cream factory.
If you want to make more money, it's like
We're gonna go see this monumental thing. I think it's called the Bean.
Yeah, the Bean.
What else? We're gonna go to the deck as well. So stay tuned for all the fun.
No charging. No. Okay. So guys, we just got off the train and now we're about to go to the Nutella Cafe. We're gonna walk there. It's gonna take 26 minutes. 25 minutes. Well, if we walk, but if we take car, it'll be 10 minutes. But we're gonna walk. And so we can also like. Oh. Yeah, well, yeah, true. Made it to the elevator. We were tired and we thought we got lost, so we gave up and we're just taking a taxi there now. And this is gonna take 10 minutes. It'll be fine. 9 minutes now.
To the Bean. This is very monumental. Anytime you visit Chicago, yes. Thanks, Jenny.
Cheese.
Hold it, hold it.
Rising from the ashes, Chicago quickly rebuilds to become an architectural icon. The World's Fair of 1893 opens, boasting beautiful white buildings. Dazzling new inventions debut, such as electricity, elevators, and the Ferris wheel. As the birthplace of the welcome to Skydeck.
Mom, imagine somebody stop. Wait, everybody stop.
Long day. So we are at the Willis Tower.
See Auntie's house.
Stop it.
Me, I'm not going.
I don't know how people can jump on it. I don't know. People can jump on this. This is crazy.
Mommy, look.
I've been here before, but it feels like I haven't been here before. What? At night is sick. The lights make it so dope.
People can jump on it.
Yep. During the day. Oh my god, we're already here. Let's go. Anna, stay there. Wow. Wow, boy. Okay. Someone join him. Okay, picture.
Okay. Just finished, guys. Oops, sorry. So fun. Yeah. Just finished, so we're going to eat. Guys, so right now we're either going home to change season or we're going to guys. And it was so fun and the pictures came and the man said my mom was so nice that he just gave it to us. Do we have to pay it?
No, we didn't have to.
But if we
Let's go.
okay.
Hey, let's wait.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I know the way for
Yeah.
6 minutes. 3 minutes. It was coming from Alden, we're going to number 7. Number 7, Alden, track 7. Say it again.
We made it.
I told you when we came. That's like we're not gonna make it. And then,
If we ate, we wouldn't have made it.
We ate in the train. Now we are going back to Ghana.
the train to Ghana. We stop at the middle of the ocean.
Stop flying, bro. Leave like that. Come.
Wait, he just wants to take it off for you. Let him.
I don't want to take it off. It's cold out. Let's look at it,
We made it, and we're about to go home. And we got our food, so we're gonna eat. Stop it. Stop it.
Oh, yeah, I did know that.
Watch your step while you
Ellen. I see.
Where's my
It's here the traveler, then could the traveler.